Do you need a sales funnel?
What actually is a sales funnel?
If you rely on referrals, is a sales funnel necessary?
But why do most sales funnels fail?
All that and more in this video.
Let's do this!
Hey guys, sales funnels are a hotly discussed topic in the marketing world. And you've probably seen some funnel bros who are like,
Hey, you need a funnel, bro. That's what's up.
and that's either going to make you think that funnels are the answer to all of your marketing problems, or scare you away for life from ever building a funnel. Especially when you see how many steps and how much tech goes into making a funnel.
Here's my 7-step, 3-video process to sell anything to anyone and create world peace, yo.
And worse still, you hate funnel, bro. You don't want to be like them. They just want your money, right?
So let's break this down for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to use the concepts of funnels to get more customers without necessarily being like funnel bro. What is a funnel? Let's, instead of calling it a funnel, which may conjure up images of shoving people into a kind of sieve-like funnel system thing and just kind of hoping that some customers come out the end.
In one piece.
Let's call it what it is. It's a path or a journey someone goes on from not knowing who you are to discovering you to finding out more about your services to reaching out and to ultimately buy from you. And if you think about it that way, it doesn't seem so scary or as sleazy or slimy.
And we believe that everyone in business should know that path that potential customers take. And even if you are reliant on referrals right now, you should know that path. For example, your friend Jane tells her friend Claire all about you, and Claire checks out your website. How do you take Claire from checking out your website or dropping you an email to actually becoming a customer? Our friend Drew Davis actually hates the term funnel, and instead he uses the term loyalty loop. Now we'll drop a link below to his YouTube channel where you can check out an explanation of this, but the idea in a nutshell is that potential customers and actual customers aren't in this kind of downwards direction of a funnel where you lose them if they don't take an action, but rather instead, as business owners, we are constantly inspiring our customers, our potential customers, to take certain actions, which leads to more actions, which leads to more inspiration, which leads to more actions, which leads to sales and beyond.
And we really like thinking about it this way because it's taking your customers on a potentially never-ending journey. Rather than them falling out at each stage, we can constantly re-inspire people to come down that path to buy from us. The main problem with thinking of funnels as this one-directional, stage-by-stage beast is that often as small business owners, we don't know yet the best next step every single time that our potential customers should be taking. And instead, all we can ever do is simply build our funnel based on guesswork at every stage. What do we think should come next? I don't know, let's try this. And what we end up doing is guesstimating and then automating. Guesstimating and automating. And when it doesn't work, we feel like crap.
And that's not to say that funnels don't work or that funnels are bad, but the fundamental problem when we come to building funnels is that we can only make these educated guesses. What ebook will attract the right people? What content will warm them up? What sales emails will hit their problem? What call to action will convert the best? We can make educated guesses on all of these, but we can never be 100% confident, and sometimes not even close to 100% confident what is going to work. Business is not that black and white, and it's not that easy to create a super high converting funnel based on guesswork, no matter what funnel bro has on his landing page.
Hey. So, do you need a funnel?
Well, yes, you do need a path that takes someone from not knowing you to becoming a customer.
But should you spend all your time right now guesstimating what that path will be and starting creating your lead magnets, your landing pages, your sales funnels, your upsells, your downsells, etc. So you can automate the hell out of it right out of the gate?
Well, no. Or at least, not yet.
Guesstimating and then automating rarely works the first time. So instead, take things a little bit slower. How do you take Claire, someone who doesn't know who you are yet, but potentially needs your service, to becoming an actual paying customer? What are the actual steps? And do those same steps work for your next lead, Rob? Yeah? What about Gary? Okay, maybe the same steps don't work with Gary. What's different about Gary? What's Gary's pain points? How do we convert Gary? Can we call Sam on the phone and see if we can get that old lead to convert now using some of these steps?
Trying to document these different steps or these different paths that our potential customers might take to become a customer might seem like a slower process. But once we have the data that tells us how we actually move someone from a lead to a customer, or an email subscriber to a lead to a customer, then we can start to automate that process more and ultimately build a funnel or build a loyalty loop or build a path that converts way better.
Let us know in the comments what your thoughts are around sales funnels. Drop us any questions you have. We are always here to answer. And while you're down there, please do subscribe if you're a small business owner that wants to grow faster. He's been Andrew.
He's been Funnel Bro. That was him, you know. That was him, you know. That was him.
We had them all fooled. They never knew it was me. It was a good disguise. My name ain't Pete.